Howdy everyone. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I've got a really fun apartment to show you. This is one of the best in Dallas. You're gonna love it. It's called the Peregrine. This is very recently constructed and it is in Las Colinas, the Peregrine in Las Colinas. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna go take the best tour ever. We're gonna capture the outside, we're gonna talk about the garage, we're gonna talk about the area, and then we're gonna see inside, we're gonna see the amenities, and we're gonna see two models. You're gonna love what you see here. I've kind of previewed a little bit inside already, and I'm loving what I see. You're gonna love it. This is luxury living in Las Colinas, and it's just going to be so fun. We're going to put up all this in about probably 12 or so videos, and we'll put it all in the playlist, so you can just let the playlist play and watch everything. And really, you won't even need to physically tour. If you want to, you can just watch these videos and see the best right from your phone anytime. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. This is a part of our free service. We're always looking for the best Dallas apartments. So this is our free service. We will find you that perfect apartment in Dallas. It's always 100% free, and we always get the best deals and the best prices. So you save time, you save money, and you get your perfect apartment. That's why you use our service. You can text me anytime on the number below. Okay, the next video, we're gonna go to it. What we're gonna do is just talk a little bit about the area and walk around and just kind of see the outside of the apartment. So let's do that right now.